Welcome to this edition of Labor of Love. Today we're going to be a park maintenance worker. Come on!
Being a park maintenance worker for the city of Plano entails many tasks like leaf blowing and mowing.
That's probably 90% of it, 95% of it during the growing season.
So I wanted to learn from Assistant Maintenance Supervisor Craig Robinson what it takes to upkeep the dog parks of Plano. The best way to learn is to do, so here goes nothing.
All right.
Ready? Are you ready?
No. They don't make you take like safety courses before you do this?
This is it.
This is this course.
This is the safety course.
Okay. Am I mowing?
No, not yet. Okay. So I want you to try to get used to the steering first.
Oh, okay.
I'd say I picked up on it really quickly.
I mean, buzz around a little bit if you want to just get used
Am
to
I mowing yet?
No.
No? We're still not.
I did a few circles in place before taking off. Still not actually mowing though.
It's the greatest day of my life!
Feel pretty good about this the steering?
Ah!
This turns it on, so now you'll be mowing.
I'm gonna be mowing.
It was definitely a lot harder than it looked.
Did I miss the whole line?
Just a little bit on the first one.
Let's go!
Then Craig let me mow on my own. Pretty poorly, I might add.
I may have gone a little off course here. They're gonna have to redo all these lines. I think I'm done.
In between tasks, I wanted to get some more insight from Craig about why he comes to work every day and what he likes about the job.
For one, I have to have
job.
money coming in. And after that, I actually enjoy the work. I like to be outside,
There you go.
and I like to solve problems, you know, when issues come up, and it seems like you have a different challenge almost daily, rather than just sitting at a desk and just staring at a computer.
Craig says to be an equipment operator, you have to come in with experience. But just like me, you can have no experience and come in and get trained as a park maintenance worker.
It's about having a good attitude,
Yeah.
good work ethic, dependability.
Yeah.
I mean, those are probably the top three.
Okay.
Because you can always train people to
To do
I mean,
this.
look, you were able to
And I have a
do
horrible
some mowing.
attitude.
Right. I mean, and you had no experience, and
Yeah.
you were able to use it. So
Exactly. And it was fun, and I enjoyed
Yeah.
it.
One other task the maintenance workers do is use a leaf blower that closely resembles.
A jetpack!
Just make sure your straps aren't too loose like mine.
got it.
Yeah?
Let's fire up the leaf
Just a
blower.
trigger.
Pew pew!
Pretty unfair, it started drizzling and the grass wouldn't blow off the pavement. I'm gonna let the professionals handle it from here.
No more jetpack. Thanks for watching this episode. Stay tuned, we'll have plenty more to come. For now, I'm Stacey Rogers. This is Labor of Love with the City of Plano. Bye.